Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're gonna show you LED light on the rear seats and on the front. We've installed LED lights just on the front in here. We also have under here. We also have under the front seat and the rear ones. We've installed the switch for the customer, nice clean switch. In this case, it's actually customer came over from another shop. That what happens is they installed the LED light and had the wires too short. When they moved the seat, the wires got ripped off, touched the floor, and stopped burning his carpet because they still had power on them. They didn't have any protection fuse or anything to protect it from doing that. So again, LED lights on the dash sometimes looks very simple, easy job to do, but when it's not done correctly, you can actually put yourself and your vehicle at risk. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Thank you and have a great day.